Hi, I'm Tammy. So today we're going to make a Bloody Maria. People have been asking me to do a Bloody Mary. So instead of doing a Bloody Mary, we're going to do a Bloody Maria, which is virtually the same, but with tequila. So stick with me. I've already rimmed the glass. I used salt. It's like a thick, coarse salt and tahine. This is tahine, and it's a lime-based chili salt. It's really delicious if you haven't tried it, but it's very heavy on lime, so if you don't like lime, you're not going to dig it. Right? So this is what it looks like on the plate. It's real coarse salt with tahine. And all I did was just take a lime wedge, put it around the glass, and then I just put the glass into the mixture, and that's going to put the nice rim on it. I am using Clamato. I like Clamato, 4 ounces, so I'm not going to measure it. So there we go. We're going to put 2 dashes of Tabasco sauce. I like green. Use red if you prefer. We're going to use 2 dashes of Old Bay hot sauce. Use whatever hot sauce you prefer, but Old Bay is a really tasty hot sauce. So we're going to use 2 dashes. Took 3 of me trying to get 2 dashes out. Going to use some horseradish. This is going to be about half a teaspoon or so. I'll do it to taste. I kind of want it a little bit spicier, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add some extra pepper. I like pepper, so we're going to just do that to taste there. And then this is celery salt. And I'm not going to add any regular salt. I have plenty on this glass, but I am going to put some celery salt in here. And this is just, again, to taste, so I'm just going to add little dashes of that. I guess I need to add the tequila. What would it be without the tequila? So I'm going to do 2 full ounces. Because I would rather have it a little bit more boozy than less. I would always go rather on the more boozy side. I also squeezed 1 lime, and I'm going to add that juice in as well. We're going to add some ice into the shaker. We're going to do a little shaky, shaky, shaky on this. A little shake, shake, shake going on. And put some ice in these glasses. Okay. All right. So I've got a lot of stuff to garnish this with. We've got bacon that we're going to slide on in here. We have some celery, some slices of cucumber, pickled okra, garlic, shrimp, and a stuffed jalapeno. But I do also want to put a couple little peppers in each one, because these are Bloody Marias. So I'm going to stick a couple little peppers in these guys on the sides. As well. All right, let's go ahead and pour these in. Then we got our crab legs, and the crab leg's gonna go in to the glass as well. Casualty. Let's put you in. This guy. All right. There we have our Bloody Marias. All right, everybody, this is Jeff. So he's going to try to drink with me. If you don't know him, he's over at Armadillo Pepper Barbecue. So, are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay. I haven't eaten. It looks like I'm going to be able to eat.
Yeah, you can eat and drink.
Okay.
You ready?
Show me what to do.
Well, I put a straw in it because it's pretty big, but it's going to be better when you can use the salt and the tahini. But right now, you better try to suck it down. So,
okay. Cheers. Cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
Yummy.
Yum.
First thing I taste is tequila.
You're supposed to taste tequila.
Yeah. I see you have my favorite vegetable, bacon.
I can taste the Old Bay hot sauce.
Can you?
Yeah.
I don't taste anything spicy.
Well, it's not spicy, but you can have that Old Bay flavor.
I taste deliciousness.
So what do you think with tequila versus vodka?
Well, it's different. I would definitely drink it again and again. It's got all kinds of cool stuff to eat.
All right, so I prefer the tequila versus vodka. Has more flavor.
Shrimpy.
Has more flavor. I think it's way better this way. But why don't you give it a try and then tell me what you all think? And I want to hear your comments, okay? If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Visit Jeff and me sometimes too over on his channel, which is Armadillo Pepper Barbecue. Thanks for watching. Cheers!